Now at 5, more trouble in Lakeland. A new report just surfacing today accusing one of the city's top leaders of turning a blind eye. Good evening, everyone. I'm Linda Hurtado.
And I'm Jameson Euler. We just got our hands on a new report from the state attorney's office claiming the Lakeland city manager knew Police Chief Lisa Womack was breaking the rules but did nothing about it. Let's get right out to our Ryan Race, who just got done going through that report. Ryan?
Yeah, Jameson, the state attorney's new report says the city manager, Doug Thomas, not only knew that Chief of Police Lisa Womack was bending the rules and playing favorites, but it also says he was warned that it was going to cause problems for the city. When Lakeland Police Chief Lisa Womack hired her close friend Ann Dinges and later tried to employ her nephew, the HR director at the time was flabbergasted. In a new report out by the state attorney, HR Director Tommy Hamrick told investigators he warned the city manager that Womack was breaking the rules and making her own. He says he told Thomas that we have trouble. This is a problem. This should never have happened. Thomas reportedly said he'd take care of it.
My understanding is that it's illegal. It certainly is improper.
This new report comes on the heels of last month's shocker that led the city manager to suspend Womack with pay. State attorney investigators interviewed high-ranking officers who testified under oath that Womack changed the entire hiring process after her nephew failed the first round of testing.
She stood in my office, she raised a finger, pointed at me, and used the term fix it, and she walked out.
No one alleged that Doug Thomas knew about Womack breaking the rules until now. Thomas strongly denies the accusations. In a statement released today, he said he holds himself to the highest levels of integrity and ethics, and am personally shocked by the allegations made against me by a former employee. And this now former HR director left the city last fall after a total separate investigation into hostile work environment. At the time, an outside investigator reported that this was an untrustworthy or a person who could not be trustworthy and a person who could not be a credible witness. I have calls into the mayor and all the city commissioners. However, they are right now in the middle of a golf outing for a fundraiser for the city. Live in Lakeland, Ryan Race, ABC Action News.